Welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber, and today we're going to be exploring Notion, specifically how to use it, how to make yours look pretty, and all just the basics, a basic walkthrough of how to use Notion and how to make your pages pretty. Didn't I just say that? Yeah, but anyways, let's get on to the video. But first, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, you're missing out. I definitely suggest you do that because my life is pretty boring. And if that hasn't roped you in, I don't know what will. Okay, so here we are on my little homepage for my personal Notion. Me, myself, and I have my little goals. I have Carpe Diem, my favorite. Then I have a few of the daily stuff that I need. And at the bottom, I pretty much just have my daily tasks that I do every day. As you can see, I'm pointing my cursor around at it. And from here, I'm going to start showing you how to work the basics. Oh, wait, no, how to work the basics of Notion. So we're going to start off with an untitled page. This is how the pages typically come. And you are able to pretty much add a title. We're going to call this one example page. And then you can add an icon, basically an emoji that you get to choose. And then you can also upload an image or a link. So I'm just going to use a flamingo emoji because that's my favorite animal. And then you can also add a cover, and it just picks a random cover, but you can change it. There is a whole gallery of photos here, and then you can also upload or link a photo. There's also Unsplash, which is like another gallery of photos that you can search for. Like you can search for the word milk by chance, and you would get a bunch of pictures of milk, which is what we are going to use as our cover. For what reason? No reason. Okay, and then up next, you have your page, where you're going to put everything else. So it starts off empty. You can just type in it, or you can hit / for commands. The first thing we have is text, which is basically just a text. And then we have pages, which you can link a sub page, which is like this, but it can go infinitely on and on and on. Then we have a to-do list, which is basically your checklist and all that stuff. Then under that, we have 3 different types of headings. And then we have a bulleted list, and you can also do a number list, but then there is toggle. I really, really love toggle. Like literally, you can just type in it, and then you're going to hit the little corner button, and then it's like you can add a subtext that like toggles on and off. Like you can make it disappear and stuff, and I think that is like super duper cool. Okay, but enough of that. Next thing that you can do is you can have a quote, a divider, which divides the text and stuff on your page. You can also link to another page, which is what I do on my dashboard typically. I have a link to my college and non-personal page. But yep, then I'm showing you all the little inline things you can do, like mention a person or a page, a date or reminder. You can do an emoji, even an equation, which I hope I never have to use at all. But up next is databases, my literal favorite. This is where you get all the good stuff. Like we have the table. I love the table. Like you can literally just put a name like tacos. And then you can add a tag, which we have like multi-select. So you can put text or a number or a select or a multi-select, a date, person, files, checkbox, URL, email, phone, you name it, you can probably put it in there. Well, from that list, that is. And then like multi-list, you can put tags. So like say I want to put the tag as, let's see, what do I want to put the tag as? Make sure it's a multi-select here. Where it says tags is actually a title. You can actually change that name too if you wanted. And then we're going to put our tag as JSON. Why? Because this is good. Tacos is a JSON file, apparently, in my head on while I was making this little table. So for all you coders out there who know what JSON is, But yeah, that is a table. And then you can hit those little dotted things to actually delete stuff, which is also super duper helpful. And then after databases, we have a list. The gallery, which is like a gallery of photos. You can also make a board of things. I actually have a board of my own in my SCLU homepage. Please don't use my student ID. And I have my packing list, which is like my non-started stuff, my in-progress stuff, my completed stuff, which is all very important things in my opinion. Packing for college is very scary and hard to do because it takes a lot of time and it's so expensive. But after that, there are other things that you can put in it. Obviously, I scrolled way too far, if you can't tell. Then you're going to see that you have a full page, which is like a whole separate page, or you can do inline, which just puts it inside of your page. So there's two different kinds that you can do. Then after that, you can upload images, you can paste a web page, like a visual link. And then video, audio, you can even insert code, but I think it's only JavaScript, but I'm not sure. I'll have to check that out because that's cool. You can also embed stuff, which is really cool. Like you can embed widgets. I didn't show you how to do widgets in this one. I was just trying to show you the basic stuff. And then you also have those advanced tools that I don't know how to use, nor will I ever use. Probably, hopefully. Because they sound scary, to be honest. Just saying. But after that, I'm going to write example. And I'm going to show you how to do the color, which took me forever to figure out. So you're going to hit those 3 dots and then the little color thing. You can change the color of the text and you can change the color of the actual block. I chose a brown background. It actually looks really cute, in my opinion. And then we're going to add another subtext with the plus button right here. And we're going to write middle because I'm going to show you how to move the text to the side to make 2 different columns. It literally took me forever. I watched so many videos and literally no one said how to do it, and I literally had to figure it out myself. And I was so happy when I figured it out. But that is it. That's it in the middle, and you can make, I know that you can make 3. I don't know if you can make more than 3, but you can put a picture. You can add anything you want into the side. And then you can also do templates, which is really cool. It's like pre-built pages that you can use and put into your awesome, beautiful Notion page. Obviously, that's an example there. You can also look online. They have some more online, as well as you can also find other YouTubers who also put their templates that are way better than mine on their accounts. But yeah, that is all. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, you should literally hit the like button. And maybe subscribe if you want. But, other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.